Good greetings. The second meditation for today, April 17th, from the chapter Meditations for Self-Help, is entitled, I Control My Mental Household. I conquered my mental household and cast out all fear and doubt. Let my word cast out all sense of fear and doubt, and let my thoughts be lifted unto him who lives within. My word has dissolved all fear within me, and has cast out all doubt. My word shall guard my thought, and make me receive only that which is good and perfect. I control my life. God bless. That's the reading for today, April 17th. Peace, be still.